There is a saying that says, let go and let God. Let go and let God. Let go of your past. Let go of whatever bad behavior you had in your past. Let go of your past relationships. Let go of your bad situations. Let go of whatever happened to you in your past that makes you so angry at life, that make you so angry at God, that make you so angry at the world. Let go. You are so busy with the past. You are so busy in your past. You are so busy dwelling in the past, and you forget to move forward, and you are not moving forward, and you are not striving forward. But this morning I'm telling you, you need to let go and let God. You need to let go of your bad relationship. Yes, he does you wrong. Yes, he did you wrong. But let him go. Jesus is waiting for you. Let him go. Let him be. You got a business to take care of. You got your spiritual life to take care of. You got your spiritual being to take care of. Stop dwelling in the past. Let go and let God. God is saying to you, I'm ready to transform your life. I'm ready to take you to another level. I'm ready to take you to another dimension. But you are saying, Lord, give me a minute. Let me take care of that in the past. But God is telling you, why you worry about your past? When I am God, I have already taken care of your past. Why you worry about it? Why you crying about it? Why you messing around about it? God says, I'm ready. Let's go.